Hello and welcome to another update video on Doge. The Doge chart has reached this support area between 15 cents and 16.9 cents. We already saw a reaction here on the 5th of June, but the reaction and the upside, the rally to the upside, remained a three-wave move. So we didn't get an impulsive upside move. We didn't get a five-wave move. No, the rally ended as a corrective three-wave structure. That is, I'm afraid, not clearly bullish. And also the sharp decline that we had afterwards did not really leave the door open for higher prices directly, because after a three-wave move up, a very impulsive looking decline, not great, not a great combination. And then we had a corrective rally again, or rather consolidation. The price was dancing on this 61.8 retracement, which is one of the communicated Fibonacci support levels. And the price formed one more low, which is actually good, because if you have a structure like that and you have a weird structure here with three waves up and a sharp decline, nearly a double bottom, then it usually is best if the price can form another low, because then it can start to attempt an upside reversal with an impulsive structure. Now, don't get me wrong, there is no impulse yet from the last low here, but there is a potential low in place here on Wednesday. Price formed, as I said, a slightly lower low, found basically support around this 6th of May swing low that formed around 16.4 cents. And if we now can see a five-wave rally which breaks above this green line at around 20.6 cents, so let's say 21 cents to give it a little bit of space and room, well, then we would have a first decent reversal signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ideally above resistance. And the breakout itself is typically followed by a corrective pullback, so we would then watch for a corrective pullback, which could then set the stage for some further upside. Please note, at the moment, there is absolutely no reaction. I mean, you could say maybe there is a bit of a reaction here, but it is, in my opinion, too small to be really clearly a representation, of bullish sentiment. So I don't at this point see that the bulls have really started to take the lead. That they certainly could. The potential is certainly there, but we still need to see some more evidence. In the very first step, a break above this swing high from Monday the 16th. Not very meaningful, I have to say. It's just not a meaningful swing high. In my view, this one is much more relevant. The previous wave 4 high would also invalidate any further direct downside extensions in this structure. And therefore, a break above that 20.6 cents, especially if in 5 waves, would be a decent signal. If we hold support here, where could the next rally take us? To get there, we need to take the length of the A wave. Then we go to the low of the B wave, and the 100% extension seems like a next reasonable target at 32 cents. Yeah, that's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X for additional updates. We follow, or not we follow, but you can follow us here for additional, setups and mindset stuff, news even, So check it out if you're interested. The link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.